My name is Tola Akinola with Patrick Volvo, Schaumburg. What is CPO? A CPO is a certified pre-owned Volvo that comes with a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty from the original in-service date. When a car comes in, before it becomes certified, it goes through a very rigorous inspection process. It goes through the 150-point inspection as specified by Volvo. Since this is a Volvo's program, you've got to meet their standards, and that includes the brakes must be at a certain millimeter, the tires, the wiper blades, everything has to check for it to be certified. The peace of mind is the fact that it is zero deductible. If you are one of those who keep their cars for a very long time, you have the option of extending your 5-year unlimited mileage up to 10 years with or without a deductible. Our technicians take this very seriously because our reputation is also at stake. We don't expect you to buy a certified car from us and not getting the value for your money. It is peace of mind that you are guaranteed. In addition to the fact that you have unlimited mileage warranty, road assistance is also part and parcel of this program, which means Volvo will fetch you, they will tow you, they will bring you gas. It is worry-free. The 150-point inspection, it's making sure that this car is as good, if not as close to a new car. It is also about the fact that you are spending quality money, and it's Volvo's desire that you get quality service and you get your money's worth from one of our pre-owned vehicles. More often than not, in most times, Volvo also offers specialized interest rates on their certified cars. It is highly recommended that if you are in the market and you are not able to buy a new car, you could buy a car that is certified that is almost as good as new. It is money well spent. I hope you take advantage of this. Thank you for your time.
Taking care.